Good morning, students. Welcome you all in this computer application session, online session. I, Praveen Mishra, again in front of you, and we are continue our chapter 5 as values and expression. In last class, we have discussed about increment and decrement operators. I hope you all would have a done little practice on increment and decrement operator. All have done? Okay, very good. If you have done very good, not done, so please go for it because that is the topic very easily skip from your mind. Okay, so next topic is there under operators category. We have relational operator. Relational operator, before telling relational operator, I would like to tell you condition. In programming, condition is a you can say a situation where we can generate two choices, either true or false. For example, in practical life, uh, today is online class of computer. One situation, one condition: you will join, you will not join. This is two conditions. So same way, you have to go to school. You are prepared for the school. You will go, you will not go. So this kind of any means condition is a means you can say normal life is a situation that allows us to select a choice, that create the choices for us, and among the choices we will select one to whatever our choice is required. In the same way, programming is what their condition is a kind of expression. Condition as a kind of expression, and on the basis of expression a programmer has to perform, a user has to perform some conditional operation over the system. Is it clear? So condition is a kind of expression in which relational operators are used. Means when we have to make the condition, keep in mind always you are needed to have a relational operator. Means when we are going to make the condition in Java is an expression that allows us to make comparison, so when we have to write a condition, we are needed to use relational operator. Is it okay? Means condition is an expression which is written with the help of relational operators. So many definitions you can generate, whatever you understand. Don't learn one definition. You are learning now. You are in learning stage, so try to develop your understanding logic. When you will learn a definition, and suppose in examination the question is twisted, so you will not be able to understand. So better understand the logic, understand how the definition can be prepared. Okay, so condition understood. Next, now what is the relational operator, how they help in making condition? Condition is an expression, as I told. Expression means set of operand, valid set of operand and operator. When we attach one operator and operands, so they create expression. And when any expression or statement allows us choices to perform a specific operation, it's called as condition. For example, 10 and 10, we have to compare it. 10 is exactly equal to 10. What choice will be generated? Simple. This left value is equal to the right value. Is it correct or not? You have two choices, true or false. Which one you will tick? Obviously, this we will tick. This is called condition. And in logical term, it is called comparison. comparison between values. For example, I have this marker and this pen. You just see the size, marker and pen. And when I will compare marker and pen, when I will compare, suppose this is called as X, this is called as Y, X and Y, X and Y. So this see, if I say X is equal to Y, is it equal? No. Answer means your choice, two choices will be there, true or false, you will select false. You said X is smaller than Y. X is smaller than Y, means this is smaller than this. Is it smaller? No, again false. So two choices can be there, na? True, it can be smaller, it cannot be smaller. You have selected, it is not smaller. So this kind of any comparison generate the condition for us. And due to the condition, we can generate choices. True or false. Clear? Okay, so you can explain in front of others, you can write examination related for comparison task. Comparison between operands. Clear? This way we have so many relational operators. One by one we will see all. See, first relational operator is there, greater than. Please learn the sign, greater than. Greater than, when you have to compare 10 is greater than 5, means 10 is bigger than 5. So this kind of any condition you can make with the help of greater than. Same way, smaller than. Same way, greater than equal to. Equal to, then less than equal to, then equal to, and not equal to. There are 6 in use. In Java we use relational operators total number 6, and this way they can be written, this way they can be used for comparison of operands or comparison of values. So one by one we will see all the operands. See, first operand is already first operator we have seen, it's a relational operator greater than. Second relational operator is then smaller than. When you have to compare this way, 10 is smaller than 12. Answer will be either true or false. Next way, greater than equal to. Here you need to focus. 10 is greater than equal to 13. Suppose this is it. 10 is greater than equal to 13. Actually, this is the combination of two operations will take place. What is that? First, 10 will be compared as greater than. 10 is greater than 13, answer will be false. Then it is compared, 10 is equal to 13. When both answers will be false, so it will be produced false. The system. Is it okay? Next, suppose you are writing same example I am taking. Example of this, you are writing 10 is greater than equal to 10. Now what is happening? 10 first will be compared, is greater than 10? No, answer is no. So it is checked, 10 is equal to 10. Answer is coming, any one condition is going to be true, either greater than or equal to. So this will return true. Is it okay? So guess the value. Another example, 5. What will be there? Quick. Okay, 5 is greater than 4. That's why this will not be checked, or this will be producing also true. Next way, suppose it is written 5 is greater than equal to 4 plus 1. This is written. Now what? See, mathematical operator has, that's why true. Come to know what is working? Good. Next. One more time. So, greater than equal to operator is the combination of two operator. One is greater than, one is equal to. When greater than is compared, or means greater comparison is done, condition is done. So, if one is false, then second is compared. Means, suppose one value is there, 15, and I said 15 is to be compared with 16 with the help of greater than equal to. So do you know how this take place? First it is checked 15 is greater than 16 or not. Not. Then it is checked 15 is equal to 16. When both are false, this is false, this is false. So accumulated result becomes false. Aggregate result becomes false. Clear now? Sure? Okay. Next is less than equal to. Less than equal to how works? When you use any number to compare, see, you are using a number. Now, this we have discussed. We are going to test this. Suppose we have taken 10 and we have said less than 8. Less than equal to 8. Means 10 is smaller than equal to 8. Do you know? Same way it will work. Two operators are used here, smaller than and equal to. The first is smaller than will get priority. 10 is smaller than 8? No. So this way they will be compared. First, 10 is smaller than 8. If it is false, then it will compare 10 is equal to 8. If it is also false, so both will produce a result false. Clear? Suppose I take a number 13 is smaller than equal to 12. We will solve the mathematical part, means 15. Now you compare. First it will be compared 13 is smaller than 15. Answer is true. So second operation, if it is compared 13 is equal to 15 and it is producing 5. So both accumulatively means aggregately produce true. This way your less than equal to operator works. How clear? Both operators? Good. Next is there equal to. In Java, equal to is not written this way. Normally students equal to learn this way. No. In Java, equal to written with the help of double equal sign. And in questions also it is given what is difference between this and this. This is not equal sign. This is equal sign. So we'll discuss here but not this one. We will discuss about this. This is the symbol of equal to sign. Equal to sign is used to compare the equality of two operands. Means when we have to perform the equality check in our programming, we can check this way. 10 is equal to 10, exactly equal to 10, yes. So answer will be true, simple, clear. This way we can perform equality. Now question is that on which kind of values this equality check can be performed. So see, you can perform the equality check over the primitive types of values, over the primitive types of all values. Means numbers, floating point, characters, booleans, but not on string type values, not any other type of values. This way is going to be helpful for you. Okay. Next is there not equal to. This you are needed to watch. One more time. Suppose I am going to compare a character value. I am checking capital A exactly equal to small a. Do you know how it is compared? Any idea? These are different values, how they will be compared. We are using assign, equal to operator. See what happens in Java environment, every character, or in computer environment, every character has been given a specific number value for understanding the working of the computer. It was predefined, and this particular number value is called ASCII value. ASCII. This ASCII value represents how many keys you watch in your keyboard. All keys have an predefined ASCII value. This ASCII value represented in a number form. Now, when we use this ASCII, ASCII stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Actually, this ASCII value was given or defined for human help to understand the working of computer, how the computer will change the human value into the binary value. Clear? So this ASCII value is defined this way. Suppose you are using capital A to capital Z. So this is containing 65 to 90. A for 65, B for 66, C for 67, like that. And when you are using small a to small z, it is from 97 to 122. A for 97, small b for 98, small c for 99, like that. So here we are comparing AA. Do you know how they are comparison? They are not compared as small letter and capital letter. Actually, they are compared on the basis of their ASCII value. Now see, the ASCII value of A is 65, as I told, and the ASCII value of small a is 97. Are they equal? Are they equal? No. Answer will be no. So result will be false. Clear? So this way we can understand the working of equal to operator and equal to operator in the with the use of character values. Clear? You can also use the value. Okay. Next operator is there in the category of relational operator. Not equal to. Not equal to is represented with this sign, and it is compared for negative equality. Suppose I said like that, 10 is not equal to 8. Yes, it is true. Why 10 will never be equal to 8? Yes, correct. So this is the result of this not equal to operator. When you have to check negative equality. Negative equality means this kind of negative equality. Suppose I take here 10 is not equal to 10. So what will you say? 10 is not equal to 10. Yes, it is equal. So this statement is going to be false. Clear? This way we can check any kind of primitive and any kinds of primitive values using negative equality check operator, means equal to not equal to operator. So this way we have seen the different use of relational operators. Now in our program, how they will be given, how you can perform over the computer, I am writing through the program. If you would have the computer, you will try over the system and you will find out what result is coming. See how you can check them. I'm writing a program to show the use of relation operators. So you will write the normal program as you know. See, class, relation, after that opening brace, then we will start wide main. You can apply opening brace anywhere, no problem. Wide main, opening brace of wide main. Then we have taken integer a equal to 5, b equal to 7, two values. Now system.out.print, you will write a is greater than b, exactly equal to, this is message. I think I have told you, when you write anything in double noted comma, this is not processed in the program, it is written as it is in the form of message on the terminal window. So this will be displayed as terminal window. Now you perform your actual operation, you call a and you perform this way, a is greater than b. So this way you will get the result of comparison a and b. So here what result will come will be in the form of true or false. So what will happen, how it will happen, see, the value of a is called here, that is 5. The value of b is called here, that is 7. And 5 is greater than 7 is compared. So answer will be there, false. This will be written in front of you, like that it will be displayed. A is greater than b equal to false. Likewise, we can write all the operator use and we can see, are they working according to our imagination, according to our diction? See, so this way we can perform the use of all 6 operators. I have only used 4. Likewise, you can write all 6 operators use. And this way you can see the result will be displayed likewise. When it will run, so it will display the result a is less than equal to, this is the message part and this is the comparison part. 5 will be called here, 7 will be called here. 5 will be lesser than 7, so answer will be there, true. Same way, 5 will never be equal to 7, so it will display the result false. Then a is not, so this way your result will be displayed. So you have the, if so you can perform this operation, can check the working of relational operators. So this way you will be very sure. For examination prediction, such kind of question can be given and can be asked, what will be the expected value for 1 marks question, half marks question, 4-5 questions can be given for 2 marks. So you can easily write if you have practiced. Clear? Next, this way we have seen the use of relational operator. Now, should I remove it? Okay. You come to know how to write. You please change the values. Different values, use different values. Expand the program. See, next thing is there, next operator, that is logical operator. Logical operator include 3 operators. First is logical and which is represented with two and sign. Second, logical, or which is represented with two, this way, two lines, and logical not, which is represented with this sign. So they are the three operators which are used in the logical operators category. So in logical operators category, whatever operators we use are logical and logical or logical not. Normally they are used by the students as and or, but it is very good if you are practicing their name with logical and logical or logical not, because not operator also there in a relational part. So when it is written not, so two idea develops, which not, relational not or logical not. So that's why we can write logical not and simple not. So simple not is going to represent it with the help of this way, and logical not is going to be represented this way. Difference, first difference you come to know. Now working difference is very important. Let's see one by one. So we are starting with a table. This table will tell you everything, will clear you everything related various operators. First, we have to write a condition. Okay, condition 1, then condition 2, and result, and use of logical operator. See, this is condition 1, this is condition 2, and in between condition 1 and 2 logical operator is there, LO in short form, and result will be produced. So what is that? I have not told anything about logical operator, so let us start with the definition. Just before this topic I told you what is condition. Condition is a kind of statement, a expression which allows us just choices, allows us the choices, two choice, true or false. When we have one such expression, so we will be able to develop one choice. We have multiple such conditions, multiple such statements, like 10 is greater than 5, 7 is greater than 8, 9 is greater than 6, like that 3-4 expressions are there, and we want to combine them. When you have multiple conditions now you understand now? When you have multiple conditions and you want to combine them, so you are needed one operator. What is the purpose of combination? First you need to learn. The purpose of combination is there, you want to get one result following or combining all the conditions. You want to develop one result. So this way we are needed logical operator. When you have multiple conditions, for multiple conditions you need to combine it as one condition to develop one result, either true or false. So you are needed logical operator. This is a kind of joint that joins multiple conditions, not two. Here two I have written, you can combine so many conditions using different logical operators. Clear? This way we are going to perform some use how they are working. So first we are taking logical operator as AND. Suppose one condition is there. This is condition 1 and this is condition 2. Of what is condition? Let's write the condition better. If I say condition 1, 10 is less than 12 minus 5. Suppose this condition is given. Now, another condition we take. 5 is exactly equal to 7 plus 3. Suppose this is another condition. And both conditions you have to combine and will produce one result. So what will you do? You will write first condition in bracket. You will write second condition in bracket, and in between both brackets you will write AND operator. Now we will finalize the result. So one by one, see what will be the result of this. 10 is less than 12 minus 5. 12 minus 5 is 7. 10 is less than 7. No. So here result will be false. 5 is equal to 10. No, result will be false. Are you getting? So this way we can join the conditions using AND operator. This explanation is okay. Now you can understand if I in short I tell condition 1 and condition 2, condition 1, condition 2, condition 1 is false, condition 2 is true, condition 1 is true, condition 2 is false, condition 2 like that. So same way we will understand. Now this is going to be removed from here. Now if such kind of a multiple expressions happen written, for example, we have condition number 1 as false. Condition 1 is producing false and condition 2 is also producing false. So do you know what will be the one result, final one result? After combining this, F will produce here with the help of AND F false. Means this is false and this is false. So it says I will false result. When this is false, means condition 1 is false and condition 2 is true, then also it will produce false. When condition 1 is true and condition 2 is false, then also it will produce false. Next, suppose this is true and this is second is also true. When both are true, it is the only condition when AND operator will produce true result. So you come to know how we will write the condition. Same way you will understand, suppose we have written a condition using relation operator and they are producing false. This is second is also false. So answer is going to be means result is going to be produced by the AND operator false. AND operator only produce the true result when both conditions, means you are joining multiple conditions and all conditions are true. In that case only this is going to result true. Otherwise in every condition, if 3 conditions are there, any one is false, it will produce false. If 10 conditions are there, any one is false, it will produce false. Understanding working? Clear? This is the working of AND operator. Next, this will be same. I am only removing the operator part and result part. Now, if I have one condition and with the use of OR operator will be represented with these two lines. I am using OR operator, false or false. So false operator says how many conditions are there. If any one is true, I will return true result. So just guess. First condition is false, second is false. No one is true, that's why false. First condition is false, second is true. So OR operator says I will return true. Next, first is true, then no problem. No need of checking other. True. Both are true. No need of again checking. True. Means true. So it will produce, who will? Or operator or logical operator will produce a final result as true. Others are false. All conditions are false. Then only this or operator will produce the false result. Hope clear for everyone? So you can practice with multiple conditions and you can check it is working on the system or not, same way as you have written the program. Okay, after telling this logical note, I will tell you how you will use this operator in the program. Okay, next is there. Now we are going to see the use of logical note. Actually, logical note is used in a different way. See, suppose one condition is there, 15 is greater than 17, and this is one condition, and in front of this condition, this way not operator is used. This way not operator is used. It is always used in the front of the any condition, and it reverses the result. Whatever expected result will be there, it will reverse the result. So expected result from here will be false, and this says not. Return the result that is true. Are you getting? Means its working is there, it has to produce the result, it has to produce the result in reverse. Clear? So this way we can produce the result with the help of logical not. One more example. Suppose I am writing 7 is equal to 6 plus 1 with the not operator. So this is going to be compared and result will be true. Now it says no, not true. This will be false. I will reverse it. So this way your all three logical operators are working in the program. I hope you will be very clear how to work with logical operators. Okay, now how you will use it in the programming. So if you would have the computer, please, same way that you have written the program, see what we will do. We will write a simple program, class logic, suppose these are two variables and we have to what do? We have to compare them. And one more variable I am taking, z, three variables, and now I will make the condition. So you will directly call system.out.print. After that you will write a condition, x is greater than y, and in message part, and y is greater than or less than z. Suppose this you have written equal to. This is the message you are printing. You are going to perform these two conditions combination with the help of AND operator. So see what it is going to present as a result. So you will write x same way. You will write here. This you will close. Now see how it is working. Same way you can write multiple operations. How it is going to work in your system. I am writing only one. You can write multiple operations with the help of same. See, when it will execute, x will be initialized with 13, y will be initialized with 15, and z will be initialized with 7. And this is the original calculation. Means comparison. Normally, many students understand this, we are writing the comparison, it is wrong. It is a message part. It will not be processed. No calculation, no operation will be performed over this, only it will be written on terminal window this way. X is greater than and Y is less than Z equal to. Now X value is called here 13. See, 13 is greater than Y value is called 15. What result is going to come here? What result? 13 is greater than 15? No, false. Then 15, that is Y result, is less than 7? No, false. So both are false. And what is the condition of false? False and false will return false. So here your result will be false. On terminal window, you will get this message and you will get this final result, one result on the basis of this logical expression. So this way you can write multiple expressions in your program. You can use multiple conditions, print a message, write multiple conditions, use of AND operator, OR operator, NOT operator. So this way you can use all the logical operators in your program. Clear? Please practice. Otherwise it will also be missing from the mind very quickly. Next category of operator is there in your syllabus. It's called as assignment operator. Assignment. Assignment operator is represented with single equal sign. Mostly students understand it as a use as a equal to operator, which is completely wrong. It is the use of assignment operator. Assignment operator is basically to give the value for a variable, to assign a value for a variable. For example, A is equal to 10. This is not equal to sign. It means A assigned 10. Means the right side of the be assigned to the left side memory space. A is what? A temporary memory name. So this right hand side value will be given, you can say given to this temporary memory place. So this way the assignment take place. For example, A is equal to 10 plus 20. This is written. Now, if you understand that only this value is going to be happen, so I tell you, if mathematical operation is given here, any other operation is given here, then assignment will be done afterwards. Means first we will follow that, we will perform that calculation. For example, 10 and 20 will be 30. Now it will be given to A. So when you will print system.out.print A, you will get a result 30. Is it okay? Clear? Good. So this way assignment operator is used. Clear? Same way you can also perform some suppose it is taken integer x equal to 5, y equal to 7. You can perform the operation like this: z equal to x into y. Do you know what happening here? Here the assignment operator uses there where 5 is initialized with in the memory of x. Means first value of x will be 5. So what happens? This x generates a temporary storage, and in that temporary storage this 5 happened kept. Now same way y generate another memory space which name is y, and that is going to hold there 7. Same way another memory space is generated with the name z when you get this one. So but it is nothing. So what happens when this memory is generated? After that this calculation takes place. value of x and value of 7 is called here, and after that whatever result comes, that is 35. It is given to this memory, and this memory is represented this way. So when you will call system.out.print z, so your output will be 35. Are you getting? So this way assignment operator is used. I think many of you would not have any problem to understand. Very easy operator it is there. But in exams, it is usually asked what is the use of, what is the difference between, I tell you the question, it can be given this way. What is the difference between this and this? Any 2 point. First point. Okay, I tell you. Suppose it is given to find the difference. So your first point you will write, it is a assignment operator. And this is a relational operator. Clear? It is used for giving value. It is used for comparing or equality check. Just 2 points is enough. And you want to more this way we can perform or we can write in our examination the differences. We can understand the differences. This operator is a relational operator. It is basically used for comparison task. It performs the equality check. And on the basis of equality check, this will return the result in the given data type format. But this will always return in the value format, false and true. That is Boolean format. So its default format is Boolean, and it's depending on the data type. What data type we are using for the variables. Is it okay? So this way we can make the difference between also asked in board examination. It is also asked in a home examination. So keep writing such questions as important questions somewhere in your notes. Okay, so this way we have finished this topic, that is relational logical operator. Before this topic we have finished arithmetical operator, unary, binary, and increment decrement operator. Now assignment operator is also used with some mathematical operator. For example, A equal to A plus 10. Suppose it is there. And the value of A, whatever is there, no problem. This kind of any operation is written. Do you know what happens in this kind of operation? A, that is the old value. Suppose A was given as 5. So this value is called here. And this value is 5 plus 10 is done. Total comes 15, which is given to A. So A is now with which value? New value. But we have not to focus the new value. I want to show you the format. Which format we are using? See, A equal to A plus 10. Can we write this way also? A equal to A into 10. Can we write this way? A equal to A minus 10. Can we write this way? A equal to A by 10. A equal to A modulus 10. So how many operations are there? Total 5 mathematical operations have been done, and also assignment operator is used. This any operation is written in another form, that is called shorthand form or use of shorthand operator. Or it is also called arithmetical assignment operator. Shorthand operator also called arithmetical assignment operator. What is that? What is shorthand operator? This is not shorthand operator, sorry. This is not shorthand operator. Writing these expressions, we can use shorthand operators. What are those? Let's see. When you have to write using shorthand operator, you will write this way. Starting A, this plus sign you will keep here, just after that, then equal, and then 10. This is the use of shorthand operator. When you will expand it, it will be expanded in this form. Easy na? In examination, in computer also, you can write the use of this shorthand operator. System very easily perform. No error will come, don't worry. So this way you can perform the shorthand operator. See, this way. Suppose this we have to write to starting A, then multiplication sign. This you need not to write. Multiplication sign, then equal to, and then 10. When you will expand it, it will be like that. So same way, A minus equal to 10. Same way, A by equal to 10. Same way, A mod equal to 10. These are the use of shorthand operators. Clear na? Sure? This way you can write either this way or this way. Both are correct. You can practice in your exam. You can practice on your computer. No problem. So some examples over this. Suppose you have been written an expression. I give you x equal to 5, y equal to 3, and an expression is written x plus equal to y plus 3. How do you perform this? If this kind of expression is given to you, expression clear for you all? How will you perform this? Any idea? See, when this way your expression is given, the first work, expand it. How will you expand? The expanding procedure of this x plus y equal to x plus. After that, whatever is there, they will be written in the same way. So y plus 3. Easier? Now you will put the value. X last value 5, y last value 3, and 3 is already there. 5, 3, 8, 3, 11. So x new value will be 11. Interesting? Sure? Okay. One more example. Suppose it is written A equal to 2, B equal to 5, and it is given equal to B into equal to A plus B mod 3. So how will you expand it? First work is that we have to understand such kind of expressions, how to expand. So expanding will be done with this way. First you make a marking here. This part you will write this way. Into over. Only this part you need to expand. Other things will be written same way. A plus B mod 3. Now this is the expression. How you will perform over the system, same way you will write. But how system will perform, we have to follow the steps. In first step, we will perform this. So B value will be, what will be the B value? 5. What will be the B value here? 5. So 5 into 2, 5 by, mod 3. Now this will be done first. So 5 mod 3. Remainder will be 2. Is it correct? Can you guess the result? 5 mod 3. Result will be, yes, 2. Remainder plus 5 into 2, that is 10. So new value of B becomes 12. This way stepwise you have to do. Suppose this expression is given. So first break up the expression. If this expression is given, expand the expression, convert the expression in number, then try to solve it using Boardmaster rule and operator precedence. That is coming in later topic. Is it okay? So this way we have finished multiple topics today. Relational operator, logical operator, then assignment operator, then arithmetical assignment operator means shorthand operator. Both names you have to keep in mind. Shorthand operator or arithmetical assignment operator. When any operator of any expression of mathematics is written with the help of arithmetic and assignment operator together this way, that can be expanded this way. So it is the use of shorthand operator. So this way we have finished this topic. Chapter is still not over, and one more chapter. What chapter is going to be covered? If everything will be okay, and you are going to appear in your first semester exam, so you are going to cover starting chapters as I am teaching in the sequential order, and after that you will learn the chapter that is conditional constructs, means chapter 9. So in the starting examination, I am writing here, you can mark in your book, you will be supplied from the school side also very quickly, very soon. So you can go for the revision, whatever you want to do, practice over the chapters. See, semester first. Chapter 1 to 5 continuous plus chapter 9 partial. Partial in the sense only if else, till if else we will cover. Chapter is covering so many topics: menu driven, switch case, if else, various types of if operations. So we will not cover all, but we will cover the if else part up to if else part. And what kinds of programs will come, I will explain for you when I will start the chapter. So in upcoming classes, may possible till next class, you will be finishing this particular chapter, until you will get the other 3 chapters notes also. Clear? Okay. So thank you for being with me. Keep updating yourself. Keep joining the online classes. Thank you for being with me. Okay. Good day. Have a nice day.